Now with just couple of clicks, we were able to enhance our resume's look to a much better version. One last thing that is pending is welcome to placements.app resume builder. Today we'll understand how to customize a basic resume into an attractive resume. There are two ways you can apply customizations to a resume. One is via templates, the other one is via customization options. Let's understand how to apply resume templates. Click on the templates button. You will see numerous template options. There are more than 15 plus resumes in placements.app and we are adding more templates to our catalog. So I could see this is a basic resume that I have in the preview. With one click, I will convert this basic resume into a beautiful resume. So what did I do? I just applied signature template to that basic resume. If you observe, it has been converted into a much better version now. So this is resume templates. So there are numerous resume templates that you can apply and enhance the view of your resumes. The second option is individually applying resume customizations. For that, let me revert back the current resume template to a basic resume template. So you could see I have removed most of the customizations by just one click. Let's apply customizations one by one to recreate the resume template that you have seen in the thumbnail. So the template that you have seen in the thumbnail has a 3-box layout. Let's apply that template. Okay, Sleek has a 3-box layout. Let me apply this. Now the resume has a 3-box layout. When you click on this button, it opens template customizations. Here, there are number of customization options that you can apply for your resume template. Let's quickly change the colors of our resume. In the color options, you can apply predefined color combinations and you can also apply custom colors what you want. So I will apply rich color option. After colors, let's apply a background style similar to what we have seen in the thumbnail. So we have seen this background. So with one click, I have applied the background to our resume. Now with just couple of clicks, we were able to enhance our resume's look to a much better version. One last thing that is pending is to reorder the resume sections to bring that look what we have seen in the thumbnail. For that, I will reorder the sections by just clicking on this button. If you observe, this is a drag and drop resume layout. You can simply drag and drop your resume section into any of the box that is displayed here. So skills, languages, education, experience should be here. Okay. Once you are done customizing your resume, click on the download button and click on download PDF. This should download your resume. Here is your resume in the PDF format. Let's understand how we can add a photo to our resume in the next video.